All you need to do is to connect your PS5 camera to a USB port on your PC. Then go to this address on GitHub and select code download Z. These are drivers for your Windows and they are open source. Don't worry about downloading them. It's safe. After that, you have to extract the files. You will see these files here. First, you have to install the OV USB camera file and then search for device manager in Windows. You would see a USB boot. Go back to your files and make sure the firmware.bin is in the same folder as other files. Then run Orbis iCamera firmware loader.exe. Now you can see the camera as OV580 in device manager. Well done. Now you can choose it in any application as your main webcam. You can even control the camera settings like brightness and exposure, which aren't too many but good. There are 5 secret things you can do with the PS5 camera, which I did show you in this video. So check it out to get the most of it. It's not here yet, but soon it will be. I'll catch you there.